Hey guys, welcome to the Mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Oops. Okay. Yeah, disaster zone in here. Right.
Obviously, you're in here.
I watched a video, as Chris has just said. I don't know if you caught that because it's actually sat quite far back. It is a disaster zone. I'm in here. This week, I watched a video of the lovely Lula from Nerd Goblin Art, and she used one of these flower pouring things on a resin, and I'm like, ooh, you know, like you do. So I'm like, Chris, can I get one? So I find one on Amazon, add it to my basket. I was like, Chris, just go check Amazon. And he's like, I can make you one of them. So we did. So now I'm going to test it. Right. So I did really want to do this on something. We had a bit of a discussion. A bit of a compromise was made. I wanted to do it first ever time on something flat because, you know, like you do. But Chris wanted to see what it'd be like in a bowl. So we made a compromise. We have this incoming hold music. It's a bit of both. Kinda. So I'm using this. I'm not entirely sure how it'll go. I've never used it, I don't think. I might have done. Oh no, in fact I might have actually used this. So it has been used before. I had to think for... That wasn't me. Okay, that was weird. That wasn't me. Right, so yes, I believe I may have used this before. Right, so what am I doing? Where's my alcohol? Right, I am going to be sticking this in the middle, and I'm going to be pouring different colours, and that's pretty much it. How much does this mold take? That's a good question. I've absolutely got no idea. I could try and find my old video that I think it is, but where's the fun in that? I don't do things either. So what I did, and that gosh almighty bang that you heard was a rather large ruler falling off my table. And it's down there and I can't reach it. So what I did was measured it, worked out the diameter, plugged that into one of these resin volume calculators. I've used a height, a depth of about 0.6 millimeters. And yeah, it came out with about 170 mils. I can't personally see this taking that, but how many times do we say, nah, it won't take that much, and it actually does. So I am going to be making up about 170 mils. Now, what I'm then going to be doing with that is I don't know what is best to use for this, because as I say, I've never done it before. I just saw Lula's video. I'm using mica powders. So, some of my favourite colours are blue, pink and green. It's spring. Well, it's supposed to be spring. We did have snow. Was it during the week we had snow? Yeah, we had snow during the week.
I can't remember what day, but we had snow.
Yeah. A lot's happened since then. Lots of projects. So, yeah, in theory, we are coming into spring. So anyway, I'm going to mix these equally. So if mix these equally and then literally just pouring one after the other. So that is all I'm doing for this video. So I'm going to pause the camera now. I'm going to get, as I mentioned, about 170. I'm actually going to measure up 180 grams because I reckon that'll turn out to be about 170 total, thereabouts. So I'm going to be getting that, mixing it up, separating it, mixing the colours. But for all that, I will be... Oh, my words are not wording. I'm going to pause the camera, mix the resin up, and then I will be back to mix the colours and do the pouring. End of. Sorry, it's one of them days today. Right, so I shall catch you momentarily.
She's a crafty rat with a flower pour, little plastic cups all over the floor, mixing up a resin storm, colors running wild. Says I dreamed this up at 2:30. It might not go, might not shine like new, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Then she smiles, it might not go, it might not work, it might just look like a glittery mess at first, but this is spring and that's a fact. Everything's breaking bright from the cold and black. She made a plate with resin hues, blues and pinks and sunny golds too. And if it flops or if it's cute, well, it's Lula's fault for once, not Jules. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Paper towel stained on the old porch rail, got a little shimmer on her fingernails, holding it up to the light like a stained glass sky. Laughing if it bends, we'll call it art. If it sticks, that's the best part. Either way, she's proud that she gave it a try. It might not go, it might not work, it might just look like a glittery mess at first, but this is spring and that's a fact. Everything's breaking bright from the cold and black. She made a plate with resin hues, blues and pinks and sunny golds too. And if it flops or if it's cute, yeah, it's Lula's fault for once, not Jules. Hey, so here's to the pours that run too far, to the ugly duck cups that turn to stars, to every maybe on the kitchen rack. 'Cause failure's just a flower on the crafting path. It might not go, it might not work, it might just look like a glittery mess at first, but this is spring and that's a fact. Even if it cracks, she won't look back. She made a plate with resin hues, blues and pinks and sunny golds too. If you love it, if it makes you swoon, well, it's Lula's fault for once, not Jules. Lula's fault for once. Lula's fault for once. Lula's fault for once.
Right, so this is finished curing. Just going to quickly pop these little rats out first. That's so cute. There's lots of bubbles on this one. It's a bit annoying, but you know, it is what it is. Let's check this one out. Neaten up the bottom part, but It's easy enough to do, and that is so super cute.
His and hers.
His and hers. Right, so that's my little ratties. Right, so fully cured. The back looks kind of pretty. Not entirely sure what I was wanting to happen will have happened with the shape of it, so thank you, Lula. I do have a new mould coming that I'm going to be trying this in. Gives me an excuse to get a new mould, what can I say? Right, so let's see. Regardless, as I said, don't think it's going to look the way I want it, but
Don't forget you're looking at the back.
I know I'm just looking at all them huge bubbles. At least this should be easy to fix. I just hope, because they're so deep, just hope they don't impact. Right, let's take a look at this. It's alright, yeah, them air bubbles were so deep you can actually see through, which is really annoying. Do like the colours. I'm not in love with it, I will be honest. But it's alright. I'm just really... I am going to fill them in, but I'm probably going to have to mix some colour to fill these.
Yeah, just not black.
Yeah, I might use the same blue mica, because most of it is in the blue sections. So we'll see. Anyway, as I say, I like it. I don't love it, but I do like it. There is a slight flowery pattern, but it is very slight. So, yeah, what do I say about this? You guys, you let me know what you think. One thing I do want to point out is all the bubbles are here. I don't feel any on the actual edge, so that's a positive. I do like how the colours go together. They're not as strong as I'd like. I'm doing nothing but complaining, am I? Chris, say something nice, please.
I like it personally, but I ain't getting involved.
Okay, well, quick short video. Let me know what you guys think. As you can probably tell, I'm not too taken with it. I don't know if it's because I used mica, if because the mica, it was not thick enough, or what. Well, let me know what you guys think. Give suggestions to what you think I could probably do to improve on this. As I say, I did place a team award yesterday. Thank you, Kaz and Lula.
Yeah,
Yep.
thank you.
You guys orders based on both of your videos. Sorry guys, that's Kaz from the Dragon's Cave. Awesome. And that's the lovely Lula from Nerd Goblin Arts. Just so that anyone who doesn't know can go look them up. In fact, no, I'll get Chris to link the channels below. Gives him more work to do, but we love them, so he don't mind. So yeah, go check them out. So yes, I am definitely going to be giving this another go. And yeah, so if you're still here, thank you for watching. You're absolutely amazing. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. If you're not yet subscribed, why not? No, just click the button below. It's completely free and it does help my channel a lot. But also click the notification bell. I'm currently doing 2 videos a week plus collaboration videos. That may or may not change. I'm in discussions with Chris regarding that, so keep your eye out for that. But yeah, at the moment of recording this, Tuesdays and Fridays are my regular videos. So click the notification bell and you'll find out when they're going out. And I will catch you for my next video. Bye guys.
shed by the railroad track. She's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene. Glitter jars and colors so stark shimmer like stars in the deep dark park. Her hair